dito sa harapan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Beanie Kids. Let's go, kids. Come on. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Let's do this. Wala ba kayong mga kamay, everybody? Yeah. Let's go. Ang hirap naman kasi no step. Yes! Eto na. Oh, next song tayo. Galingan nyo. Let's go, kids! Come on! That's right! Yeah! Let's go, kids! Come on! Yes! Let's go, everybody! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! That's right! Palakpakan naman natin yung mga bata. Thank you very much. Ang cute-cute yung lahat. Kaninong anak tong batang to? Kaninong anak? Parang kaya din ng tatay. Let's go, Daddy! Yeah. Ito na si Sir, oh. Bigyan mo nga ng apat-apat si Sir. Ready? Mr. DJ, music please! Oh, ito na. Let's go, baby. Come on. Yeah. That's right. Come on, let's go. Yeah! Yeah! Come on, baby! Everybody, let's go! Yeah! Palakpakan muli natin yung mga bata. Maraming sir. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, babies. Maraming salamat. You may now go back to your seat. And, picture muna, sorry. Picture muna tayo, babies. Picture. Okay, look at the camera, and you gotta smile. Now, I think it's about time to give away our raffle prizes. Look at the camera. Sana Marvin and Kat, ganyan kadami ang maging anak nyo in the future. Ilan to? 3, 6, 8. Kayang-kaya ni Marvin yan. 8 bata, oo. Thank you, kids. Now, can I borrow a microphone? Kailangan ko ng tulong ni Kat. Okay, Kat, come here. Dito ka muna. Sige, Mars, pwede ka na munang maupo.
Okay po. Okay, sige po.
Okay, once you hear your name being called, punta lang kayo dito sa harap at baka kayo na ang maswerteng mag-uwi ng papremyo ngayong gabi. Kat, go ahead.
Ate AJ?
Ate AJ, come here, Ate AJ. Who's next?
Ma'am Ruth?
Ma'am Ruth. Okay.
Ma'am Jerlyn?
Ma'am
Alena?
Curly. Okay, come here.
Monique?
Monique, who's next?
Ilan po ba?
Many
Janice,
as you want.
Jella. May?
May, okay.
Raven?
Let's go.
Sino ba?
Hi.
Jennifer?
Miss Jen, come here.
Mel Joy?
All right.
Rachel?
Rachel, come here.
Edna Lynn.
Ednaline. Oh,
Julie Pearl.
all right.
May.
May.
Sino pa ba?
Meron pa?
O yun lang po.
That's it.
Opo,
Okay,
yun.
thank you very much. Lahat ng tinawag, punta na sa harap at baka kayo na maswerteng mananalo ng ating papremyo ngayong gabi. Now, Kat. Hello. Uy, ang gaganda naman ng pinili mo, Kat. Okay, how many do we got here? Ladies, come here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gorgeous ladies. Now, matanong ko lang, just wanna make sure, who among these girls are married? Sino yung kasal na dyan? Kasal? Sure, I'm sorry. You may not go back to your seat. Kasal na pala to si ma'am. Okay, sino naman dito yung my boyfriend? Okay, okay lang yan, may boyfriend. May boyfriend, okay lang. Sino naman dito yung single? Single. Oh, ay, walang single dito? Meron, meron. Okay, now, pagbigyan nyo na si Kat as a bride herself, gusto niyang ma-experience yung binabato yung ano. Wala siyang ibang gustong game, kundi yun lang. She really wanted to experience throwing the bouquet and to pass the bouquet of flower to someone who will be the next bride, hopefully, okay? Now, here's the thing. Is there anyone from you guys who want to volunteer na saluhin ng flower? Is there anyone from you? Then if wala, let's do it this way. Kat will be throwing the bouquet. Ilan kayo? 10, 9 times. Pag nasalo mo yung flower, upo ka na. Again, pag nasalo mo yung flower, upo ka na. Yung last na hindi makakasalo, maiiwan sa gitna. Uulitin ko, ang last na hindi makakasalo, maiiwan sa gitna. Now, compress. All girls, please proceed here. Kat, wag kang bawal tumingin. Can I borrow the bouquet, please? Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready. Go. Here we go. Ayan na. Oh! Thank you so much. You may now be seated. Thank you for playing. You may now sit down. Okay, next flower. Next flower. Here we go. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on. Oh! Thank you so much. Talaga naman. Okay, Kat, next throw. Next toss. Next toss. Ay! Oops! All right, okay. Relax, relax. Thank you so much. You may now be seated. Maraming salamat. All right, here we go. Thank you, guys. Ang competitive naman itong mga girls natin. Thank you. You may now be seated. Next throw. Next throw. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. Let's go, Kat. Oh, thank you so much. You may now be seated. Maraming salamat. Pwede na po kayong maupo. Thank you. Next. Next one. Oy, thank you very much. Last few girls. Last few girls. Yay! Thank you very much. Here we go. Okay, last four. Last four. Oy. Last three. Last three. Let's see, Kat. Last three. Here we go. Oh! Yay! Thank you so much. We are now down to the last two. Let's see. Dalawa na lang. Sino ang susunod na bride-to-be? Let's go! Okay. I'm sorry. It's a tie. Ulitin natin ang pagbato. Ulitin natin ang pagbato. Okay. Ulitin natin ang pagbato. Sino kaya ang susunod na bride? Is it the girl in white or the girl in blue? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yeah! Hey, 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 hey! We have a winner! Thank you very much. Hi, ma'am. Oy, ang ganda ni ma'am, no? Ang simple-simple pero ang ganda-ganda. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
May.
Hi, Miss May. By any chance, is Miss May single? May boyfriend? Nandito ba boyfriend mo? Nandito? Nasaan ang boyfriend? Ayun! Alright. Now, dyan ka muna, Miss May. Sa gilid ka muna. Now, tawagin naman natin. Bro, come here. Okay. Well, Marvin decided to not pursue the game, but instead call up the boyfriend of the winner. Where is the boyfriend? Come here, brother. Hey! Ay, talaga nga naman, oh. Thank you so much, Marvin. Now, paupuin natin dito si Bride. Bro, come here. What's your name?
Maki, sir.
Maki. Hi, Maki. Can you share how long you guys have been together? I mean, gaano na ba kayo katagal ng girlfriend mo?
2 years, sir.
2 years! Wow, talaga nga naman. Hindi na masama yun, no? Baka ito na talaga yung sign na kayo na ang susunod na bride and groom! Yay! Now, Maki, have a seat. Dito ka muna, babalikan ko kayong dalawa. Now, Kat, come here. Upo ka muna dito. I have here Marvin, ladies and gentlemen, our very handsome groom, everybody. Dito na lang tayo. Sige, pwede na dito. Now, bro, you are in the middle of situation right now wherein you are tasked to remove the garter from your beautiful wife's leg. Unfortunately, medyo malayo tayo. So all you have to do is to walk towards her. But brother, this is not the usual walk. Ito yung lakad na may halong giling at pangaakit kay Mrs., okay? Dapat ma-impress mo hindi lang si Kat, pati ang buong pamilya ni Kat kailangan ma-impress mo. Alam mo, kagabi pa lang nag-chat na sa akin to si Kat. Excited na daw siya dito sa garter. Kaya galingan mo, inaabangan niya to. Para ganahan naman si Marvin. Palakpakan natin si Marvin, everybody! Bro, I believe in you. Ikaw nang bahala dyan. Basta mo igiling. Mr. DJ, music please! Ay! Ay! Ganyan nga, Marvin. Sige, igiling mo. Igiling mo, Uy! Igiling mo, Marvin. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Proud na proud ang tatay mo sa'yo, Marvin. Sige. Uy! Let's go. Uy! Talaga nga naman, oh. That's right. At pagkatapos, hop! Tanggalin ang garter. Gamit ang... Yes. Anyway, mag-asawa naman kayo. Wala nang mali siya to. Marvin, mukhang kasya ka sa loob. Pumasok ka na. Welcome home, Marvin. Welcome to your property. Enjoy. Sige, Marvin, huwag kang mahiya. Get in. Here we go. Uy! Sige, pumasok ka. Pumasok ka. Uy! Talaga naman si Marvin. Giliw na giliw daw. Sige, Marvin. Tanggalin ang garter. Gamit ang bibig. Let's go, brother. Come on. That's right. That's right, Marvin. You're doing good. You're doing good. Palakpakan naman natin si Marvin, everybody. You know what? Your parents are really, really proud of you. You did a great job. Now, ipasa natin kay Kuya Maki yung garter. Max, halika dito, kunin mo yung garter. And then, Kat, doon naman kayo, palit na kayo ng upuan. Hello, Maki. Ma'am? May and Maki, si MM. M and M. Maki, brother, I'm sorry for putting you on the spot, but pagbigyan mo na, tropa natin si Marvin. Kayo ang napili ngayong gabi. Nakita mo naman kung paano na-impress ni Marvin ang kanyang asawa. Ang ganda ng girlfriend mo, no? Now, ano ba naman yung i-impress mo din siya? Baka bukas na bukas ay pakasalan ka niyan. Now, Maki, lakad ka lang. Lagyan mo lang din ng konting giling at pang-impress kay May. Ikaw nang bahala dyan. Para ganahan si Max. Everybody, palakpakan naman natin si Maki, everybody. Mr. DJ, music please. Yes, that's right. Uy! 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 Tama yan, sige. Uy! Ganyan nga, Maki. Sige, igiling mo. Igiling mo pa, Maki. Lower, Maki. Lower. Lower. That's right! Uy, palakpakan nyo si Maki. Ewan ko na lang kung pakasalan ka niyan bukas. Pero magaling, magaling si Maki. Now, brother, load ka na. Sayang, nakapantalon si Miss May eh. Hindi ka makakapasok sa loob eh. Anyway, hindi mo pa naman yung property. Next time na lang pagkasal na kayo. For now, put the garter in. Sige, ipasok mo na yung garter sa kanyang legs. And then, make it a little higher. Come on, a little higher. A little higher. Is that enough? Konti. O, sabi ni Mami, daw. Konti pa. Konti pa. Itaas mo. Palakpakan naman natin, May and Maki. Thank you so much, guys. Picture muna tayo. Picture tayo kay Kat and Marvin. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Ready na ba ang ating SDE? Handa na ba kayong mapanood ang ating same-day edit video? Are you ready? Okay. Sige. Habang inaantay natin, mabilis na lang. Konting-konti na lang. I-share ko sa inyo ang ating SDE, no? While we are waiting to our highlight video presentation na talagang pinagpaguran at pinaghirapan ng ating magagaling na photo video team, inedit ng very talented nating editor, your faces will be flashed on that screen. Mamigay na tayo ng ating cash prizes. Ayan. Sige. Mamigay muna tayo, Ate Glenn, ng cash prize. Okay? Sige, while waiting for the names, mabilis lang, tawagin ko muna ang mga magulang ng bagong kasal. Ma'am? Parents of the groom. Okay. May I call on the parents of the groom? Nasaan po ang mga magulang ng ating groom? Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Dad. Kanina nagsalita si Daddy. Maraming salamat po, Daddy. Ngayon naman, ang parents ng ating groom, pwede ko po ba kayong maimbitahan dito sa unahan at nagre-request lang ang inyong mga anak ng kahit maikling mensahe lang po. Let's go, Ma'am. Let's go, Dad. Hi, Mami. Sige po, kita tayo sa taas para kita tayo sa camera. Slowly. Hi, Dad. Nasaan si Daddy? Ayun, Daddy. Halika, sama ka. Sige po, Mom, Dad, any message, please?
Akyat daw eh. Hello? Hello? Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo, good health, success, and happiness. Bigyan nyo na lang kami ng maraming apo. Yan lang. Thank you.
Short and sweet. Thank you so much, Mommy. Now, Daddy.
Yun din ang nakagaya kung sasabihin, naunahan mo ako. Kailangan malalong madaling panahon magkaroon na ng apo. At walang problema sa mag-aalaga. May babysitter. Kailangan ng trabaho yan. Parehas kami. Sana mangambal din kayo. Salamat po. Yun lang.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat to the lovely parents of the groom. Thank you. You guys are the best. And now, handa na ba kayong manalo ng ating mga pa-cash prize? Mamimigay si Kat at si Marvin ng pangkape. Oo, may pangkape tayo mamaya. Kaya naman, nasa na yung mga names natin dyan? Okay, here we go. Here are the names. But before that, nandito na si Kuya Boy. Kuya, pasok! Let's go! Hey! That's rock! Yeah! Wala ba kayong mga kamay, everybody? Hey! Yeah! Let's go! Hey! Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Yeah! Ang saya naman na may pagganan tayo. Now, Kat and Marv, sali na kayong dalawa dito. Alam nyo ba, kaya rin yung gawin ng TL namin ni Ate Glenda. Gusto nyo ba makita si Ate Glenda? kaya ni Glenda. Now, okay, Marvs and Kat, I'll give you the opportunity to pick a number. Sige, pili kayo ng 5. Yes! Come here, Miss Eunice. Please stay right here. Next name. Marvs, bunot ka na?
Ticket number 25625. Laila Sarabillo.
Yes! Yes! Come on, Miss Lay! Okay, next name.
Ticket number 25646. Kate Manalo.
Kid Manalo, let's go, Kid! Hoy, just to remind, all of us are part of this. Even suppliers, kasali kayo dito, ha? Okay, sige. Ganon ka-generous si Marvin tsaka si Kat. Lahat kasali. Okay, next.
Ticket number 25678.
Kyra Shaman.
Yes! Let's go! Shaman. Let's go, brother.
Shaman.
Shaman. Last one.
Ticket number 013684. Maribeth Camparo.
Yes, Miss Maribeth, come here. Are you still here? Nasa baba. O, halika, ikaw na kumuha dito, madam. Palakpakan naman natin our minor raffle prizes winners. Punta na po tayo dito and iabot natin sa kanilang mga envelope and have your picture taken. Here's something for coffee for tonight. Look at the camera. Sige, picture muna tayo. Okay, please move right here and then have your picture taken. Look at the camera. Smile. Perfect. Now, this time, mamigay tayo ng 4. Another pang-kape, but this time may kasamang cheesecake. 2 slice ng cheesecake. Okay. Pang-coffee na may kasamang cheesecake. Okay. Bunot! Ay, eto na. Uy, Marvin, bunutin mo yung pangalan ko. Oh, yeah. First name would be...
Ticket number 025654. Ito. Vicente Palenzuela.
Yes! Si ma'am na lang ang makiklaim. Wala. Umuwi na. Yung nandito lang, okay, yung nandito lang. Kahit nandyan sa labas, okay lang yun. Basta nandito. Okay, next name. Uy!
Ticket number 013633. Glenard Nero.
Yes! Let's go, Glenard. Nandyan ka pa? Nandyan pa?
Eto.
Ayun! Ay, isa sa mga photo vid natin. Sige, bro, dyan ka muna. Hanapin natin yung next winner. Uy, pangkape din to, ha? Next winner.
Ticket number 025581. Ricky Bayani.
Yes! Let's go, Ricky! Okay, last two. Last two names.
Ticket number 013669. Mark Emmanuel Sadang.
Yes! Let's go, Mark Emmanuel!
May pang-gin na.
May pang-gin na, may pang-gin. Okay, last one. Marvin, galingan mo. Uy! Kulay pink. Sino to?
Ticket number 025623. Marivic Besonia.
Yay! From the VIP! Nahali na kayong 4 dito. And here's something to enjoy for tonight. Thank you very much. Picture tayo. Look at the camera. And you gotta smile. Camera. And now, ready na ba kayong mapanood ang ating SDE? Kung saan, makikita nyo yung mga sarili na Kat and Marvs. Halina kayong dalawa dito, panoorin na natin ang highlight video presentation for